time, this little rabbit, he was little.
What's the next page say? You need help turning the page?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Big page. Once upon a time, this little river, he was little. Once upon a time, this little river, he was little.
Really? Wow.
Once upon a time, this little river, he was little.
Wow. Can you show me the little screwdriver? Is there a picture of the little screwdriver?
Once upon a time, this little river, he was little.
Cool. Are you listening, Georgia?
Once upon a time, this little river, he was little.
Hey, can Georgia sit beside you so she can see the pages too?
Yeah. Once upon a time, he was little river, he was little.
What's the next page? What's the next page say, Julian?
Look it.
What does it say?
Look it, Georgie. Look it. These are words.
Those are words.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And what do the words say?
What does it say, Julian?
Little
What's it?
screwdriver, he was little.
There's a very little screwdriver.
Turn next page.
That's
Why
the
don't you
end.
start again? Start at the beginning.
Read it.
It's your turn to read it, Georgia. She says, I'd like to eat it.
No, eat it.
Could you read it to me again, Julian?
No, it's done.